Hello, my name is Chloe. I'm part of the team here at Log My Care. Welcome to the 4th episode of The Making of Rostering. So in this series so far, we've been talking to the people who have been building the rostering system. I'm really excited because we're actually joined by Szymon from Epilepsy Society, who has been on the beta testing group for rostering.
So I'm Szymon. I'm a registered manager for domiciliary care and supported living services at Epilepsy Society.
You've been on the beta testing group right from the beginning. I'd love to hear a little bit about what that's kind of entailed and what your experience has been like.
We purchased the software last year, so we were very excited when we got invited to join your rostering committee. We always knew that working with you is a long-term relationship and we would love to work with you to develop new products. And rostering was always something we really were looking forward to. Working on the committee was brilliant. Lots of individual meetings, lots of meetings as a group to discuss different options and how the product could look like. It was a very pleasant experience and I really enjoyed the process.
So in those sessions, what were the team kind of looking to find out from you?
Sure.
So you're a true expert, aren't you? You've used lots of rostering systems.
So I think your team was very keen to find out what would work and want for our service. I think there is so many ways of doing rostering. So I think it was great for us to be able to share the way we're doing that now, the way we would like to do it in the future. And your team, they were really great. They were really listening to us. They were looking for suggestions and the ideas how to build a system which would work for a service like ours.
I'm interested to know then, how have you seen some of your insights materialize over time?
Looks like your team took lots of our suggestions on board and building the system which would be really user-friendly. That's again is a big feature of your Log My Care domain system, and that's what we loved about. So it looks like the rostering will be equally user-friendly. And we'll have hopefully the universal features which you can use in any care services. There's so many types. We're doing supported living and domiciliary care, but we've got nursing homes as well and residential homes. So it looks like the system you're building will be very universal and you will be able to use in all types of services.
You know, you've been in the group for some time and you only recently actually got to start playing with the system. So tell me a little bit about your first impressions.
I like the flexibility that you can build the rota in many different ways. You can build it from client's perspective, you can build from the staff and the shift side. So it's so far really good. I think I enjoy playing with it. I enjoy looking at different options, letting me to build the rota in so many ways, which is really enjoyable process. Until now, we were really a paper-based type. We had another software system, but it wasn't really meeting our needs. So having something, even in early stage of development, being so friendly for a user is great.
So my final question then is, how does this compare to other systems that are out there that you've used?
The biggest benefit of this rostering system will be that it's a part of Log My Care, the main software, and having all the information about your clients together with your staff in one system, actually, which then can generate your rota patterns and so on, is so helpful. You don't have to switch between two different systems and look for information. It's all one point of entry, and it's going to be so much easier for us. Doing the rostering is a big part of care, and rostering sometimes can make or break the service, because if you do it in the right way, it's benefiting the clients a lot and it's helping the staff as well to have the right balance, life, work and so on.
Rostering is launching later this year and the waitlist is open, so sign up now and you'll be the first to hear when it launches.